Ladies and gentlemen, how's it going? Once again, I'm Nev from Nev's Tech Bits, otherwise known as your friendly neighborhood basement dwelling IT guy. Don't worry, ma'am, I am from the internet, and today we're going to be talking about what you should do if your iPhone will not turn on. Have you ever came up to your iPhone, you pick it up, you try to get into it, but there's nothing there. It just has a blank screen. Maybe you just didn't update. Maybe it was just working 20 minutes ago and you knew the battery life was still supposed to be good. It could be a glitch. The phone might actually have power, but the operating system isn't working. So what we need to do is something called a hard boot. But before we do that, we got to clean out the port and make sure there's no pocket lint or any junk in there that is keeping you from charging it properly. Okay, so if your phone is not charging, if your iPhone is not charging, the first thing you want to do is get a wooden or plastic toothpick. And what you're going to want to do is go to the charge port and gently just scrape it out. There's probably going to be some pocket lint in there. Now this trick is best if you're not sure if your unit was charged all the way when it died. Maybe the battery ran out all the way. So once you get all that junk taken out, make sure that you have a proper iPhone charger and a known good iPhone cable. Plug it in and see if anything comes onto the screen when you got it plugged in with official iPhone stuff, or at least known good connectors. If that doesn't work, then we have to try the hard reset. And the hard reset is different on different phones, but anything from iPhone 8 up, the hard reset is up, down, press and hold the power or the side button for, I think it's about 10 seconds. We're going to see though, it's going to automatically reboot. So if your screen is frozen, if everything is black and you can't make it work, try that. Remember, just press up, down, press and hold power. And as we can see, it's hard rebooting. Now this could have happened for many reasons. It usually doesn't happen with iPhones so much. iPhones are usually pretty solid when it comes to programming reliability and crashes. Now they do crash, but they definitely don't crash as much as Android, I'm finding. Okay, now let's talk about the iPhone 6 and 6S. Basically anything 6, 6S and behind. Let's say you just can't turn this on. Yeah, I got it turned on, but let's say we can't turn this thing on. It's blank, you're charging it, you tried everything else. Just like I said before, clean that port out gently though, and it's not turning on. So what you do, in case it is my cat's going nuts. In case it's a glitch with the hardware or software, press and hold the power button, be it down here or up here. Press and hold, oh, sorry, at the same time. Press and hold. And there goes the cat again. And as you see, it's restarting. So once again, if you can't get your unit working, try this. Press and hold the power and the home button, and it will automatically reboot. Anything giving you a hard time should be reset. But now if that doesn't work, you got to ask yourself, why isn't this thing turning on? Now hopefully you haven't dropped your phone. Hopefully you don't have liquid damage, because that's the kind of thing you need to take it into an Apple store or take it into Lewis Rossman phone repair. If you take it into the Apple store and they say they can't recover your pictures, look up Lewis Rossman and he can definitely save your pictures. But before you take it into the store, what you should do is you should take one of these phones, plug it into your computer, run iTunes, and see if you can run a recovery. Now, running a recovery will definitely turn your system on, but it will basically nuke it from orbit, meaning everything on your phone will be absolutely gone. So it's something we try to avoid, but it will get your phone back on. Now, older iPhones, iPhone 6s and later, get water damage very easy, and even if you just put a bottle of water in next to it, on a hot day, you can get condensation damage, water damage. Anyways, those are the steps to take if your iPhone just won't turn on. If this won't work, take it into the Apple Store, and if the Apple Store refuses to fix it and get your pictures back, look up my boy Lewis Rossman in New York. He's frickin' famous for how he repairs things. And fear not. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, that's it for me. Nev from Nev's Tech Bits. If you like this stuff, please hit like and maybe leave a comment, and that would be awesome. Seriously, hope I helped you out though, folks. Anyways, have a good one. Take care of each other, folks.